What's up, guys? It's me and Pac-Man. We're gonna put the cold air intake on the GT-Hachiroku today. So yeah, let's get it crack-a-lacking. Intake's fucking thick. We're gonna wrap it in gold because obviously we're gonna track the car.
It's thicker than the stock one.
So right now we're wrapping the intake. Looking out pretty nice. Let's wrap the intake. Looks dope. Looks dope. Here we go. We're about to put it on now. The start is with this 10mm here, this 10mm here, and this 10mm there. That takes off the stock air box, and that's what we're doing now.
That's a bitch to get down there. There's no room.
Taking off the last 10mm bolt that's over there on the air box. I'm gonna start by taking this one off, and pretty much, yeah, it should come off. Pac-Man already took the bolt off. I already took this one that was there. Now I'm taking the one that's here and here. You're gonna need a vice grip to take the zip tie off, and then it'll pop right off. So we just removed the screws, the lap sensor. Now we're gonna take the box off and put the new intake on.
Alright, this about to be a bitch. Wait, I just hit it.
You know, there's a good needle nose you could use right there, right?
I didn't see it. Maybe if you would have told me, shit would have been easier. Slut.
Intake is out. Old TRD one's out. This dumbass has it the wrong way. Sick. Good job, Pax. The one that they sent us doesn't fit this big fucking filter, but yellow. No one's gonna see it, so who cares? Besides the viewers. Hashtag Pac. So I just got done with the intake. Time to turn it on.
Day 2.
Good morning, YouTube. Pac-Man Paco is currently not here, but we will be installing the GCS Bluetooth LED Interior lights for the GT-Hachiroku today. I'm gonna get started now without him because I don't know what time he's gonna get here. But anyways, let's get it going. So what you'll need first is a flathead screwdriver. You're gonna need to remove this panel right here. And to remove it, you just gotta take this little guy off. And that's how you start. Just remove the plastic part and boom, that's what you're gonna see. The panel off, you're gonna take the little fuse cover. Every GT Hachiroku is different. On this one, the ignition one is right here. So this one's gonna go right here. Some of it have it up here. It really just depends on the year of your GT Hachiroku. Mine's gonna be right there. Came inside to cut and tape the positive wire / fuse, power, whatever you want to call it, and it should be ready to install. What I did now is I loosened this one, the one that pops the hood, so you can plug the negative in there, and then you just tighten it back up. A test run before I turn it on, and it looks like it works. It's working accordingly. Nice. That's what I did now is I tucked it in, that way I can put the panel back. So that's ready to go. These short ones that come in the box are for the front. These long ones are for the back. And I'm gonna do that next now. Anyways, the lights are on. That's sick. So yeah, it's pretty dope. Pretty cool. Love the way they came out.